So I use 5 categories. I use darks, which is on the left side, pinks, reds, bright colors right next to that. Behind the basket, you can see I do lights, then I do whites, and then I do towels on the far right corner. Now, sometimes my kids would ask me, well, what if it's a color we're not sure it goes in that pile? Let's take, for example, this gray shirt. Well, guess what? I tell them you can choose. You can either do the lights because it'll be fine, or you can do the darks. But the most important thing to remember is that whites cannot go with pinks and reds, because when you take your whites out, even if it didn't really get pink, the color isn't as white. Or if you put a white tank top or white sock in with the darks, it'll come out looking a little bit gray. So those are important. Now, let's go over here. One more thing I want you to remember. You always have to zip the zippers, okay? Because if you don't, you're going to create little holes in your clothes. You also need to check all of the pockets, because sometimes someone will have a chapstick or anything that can get on the other clothes, and you don't want that, because that makes a big, huge mess.